burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So this is yet another wig install video. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install this beautiful long wig. I believe this wig is 26 or 26 inches long. It's really long, like, see, it's pretty long, you know. And if you're wondering, this wig is from Wowangel hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box. The wig is really beautiful. It's very soft. So if you want yours to be fuller, you can actually get that, you know, because on the site it's customizable. You just tell them the specs and everything you want, and they'll make it exactly the way you ordered. So as usual, I use my beard hairspray. I didn't use the glue. The wig comes with an HD wig cap, so you can either install it using this HD wig cap. It's the new type of wig cap that is, it makes everything look so natural. But you can either install it with the wig cap and use glue or spray. I've not used spray on the wig cap before, and if you want to leave your edges out, you can also do that, but I decided not to do it. Like, seriously, I don't have the time. I just want something I can just wear and go. And yes, and this wig definitely does that for me. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging of the wig looks like. So the wig came with these accessories. And this is what the wig itself looks like. As you guys can see, it's very beautiful. Like, it's so sleek, it's very sleek and very soft. And it also comes with this band you can use to like secure the wig very well when you wear it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Then I'm going to brush it very well. After that, I'm going to create a middle part. You can actually do a side part if you want. It's a lace frontal, so you can do any type of pattern you want to do. So I'm just putting on the HD wig cap for you guys to see how it looks. You can see, you can use it if you want. I believe it makes it looks more natural, especially if you're planning on, you know, bringing out your edges or your baby hair. But since I'm not doing that, I just decided to take off the HD cap and just wear the wig itself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. And then I'm gonna spray my bearded spray. This is actually my magic spray. I absolutely love it. That's all I need to spray and off I go. And if I want to take it off, I just spray water on it, on my edges, and take it off very well. It doesn't affect my edges at all. Then I'm going to tie a scarf on it and leave it to dry for like 10 minutes. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. So here I'm going to work on my middle part. I'm going to tweeze out the middle part to give it a more natural look.
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try.
And after that, I'm going to spray a little bit of water and then apply my heat protectant oil on the wig, since I'm going to be using my hot comb. Here I'm just going to apply my concealer on the pattern to make it look more natural. I'm going to comb it, and I'm going to use my hot comb to lay the front parts very flat. And I'm going to use my straightener to just straighten it up a little bit. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig looks so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and it's really long, very soft. I really love this wig. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.